Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello. In this video, we're going to compare two ways of modeling energy transfer dynamics. So the point is you're trying to make a model of energy transfer dynamics. So how energy is transferred within an environment or within an ecosystem. So the two ways that we're going to talk about in this video are food chains and food webs. Each of these have both their limitations as well as their advantages. So let's go over those. So a food chain is linear because it follows a single path and is therefore easy to follow, right? It's just one path to follow the entire way. And because of this linearness and this easy to follow, it also is the easiest to make experiments. Easier, right? If you take away one thing, it's clear to make predictions upon it and how that's going to affect the trophic level above it. And because of all these three things, food chains are most useful for analytic models because math equations that we have are much easier to understand if it's just single inputs, single outputs, and this easiness of making experimentation and following it. On the other hand, food webs also have their advantages as well as disadvantages. So food webs are non-linear, and because of this, they're much more accurate. We know that in nature, it's not just simply one animal eats one type of thing and is eaten by another type of thing. There's animals have multiple things that they take in as food, and they are prey to many different types of animals, and therefore a food web is more accurate, and because of its holisticness, right? It's so accurate because it's holistic; it has everything. However, that actually makes it very difficult to follow. It's difficult to make predictions because if you take out one type of food, it's unclear how important that type of food is, or and making predictions based upon that. And because of this, they're worse for analytic models, but they're much better for simulation models because when using a computer and using some algorithm, all those inputs can actually be understood much easier by a computer than by a math equation made for humans. And therefore, food webs are much better for simulation models, while food chains are better for analytic models. Therefore, we can see that both food chains and food webs have both their advantages and disadvantages, which I have described in